Meaning of graciously.
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 Graciously. The word graciously is an adverb used to describe someone performing an action in a kind, polite, and gentle manner, often with a sense of generosity or magnanimity. When someone behaves graciously, they go out of their way to be considerate and courteous towards others, showing empathy and understanding. This can manifest in various ways, such as offering compliments, expressing gratitude, or making concessions. Overall, acting graciously makes others feel valued and appreciated, and fosters a sense of goodwill and harmony in social interactions.